Hello everyone, welcome back. I know it's kind of hard of an angle to view right here, but we're going to unbox everything and show you guys what you get. But this is a heat press machine by VEVOR, or VEVOR. Hopefully I pronounced that brand name right. Sometimes I'm not that good with names. Okay, because there's a lot to unpack here, we're going to show you a bunch of accessories. It takes a 3-prong outlet, screws, give you your wrench tool, press pads. I mean, there's a lot to unfold here. Just a lot unfolding. Quite a bit of unfolding. Okay, my friends. This is the heat press unit itself. You can adjust it on the back. There's quite a bit. I mean, basically, there's a lot to learn. Please refer to your manual. Don't watch a video and think, oh, I know how to do it. Watch and look at the manual 100% for yourself. Don't follow somebody else because they might do it wrong. Now, sadly, this is not a kit that's going to be right out of the box. You can start going. You're going to have to set some stuff up. It's going to take you a little bit of time. Take off the bolts on the side and place the handle on. This is going to allow you to use the heat press it down nice and tight. The manual seems to be pretty simple. It doesn't seem to be that hard. It's just time consuming to go through everything. Alright, we're going to take 2 bolts under the bottom here. We adjusted this, and now we're going to drop 2 bolts down inside under there. I am reminding everybody, I'm not showing every single step. I'm customizing it to my needs. Please refer to the manual. That's why I say don't follow everybody, because someone might do it a little differently than how the manual says or how you are going to set it up. Now, there's going to be multiple ways of doing it. Depends on what process you are doing. If you're doing clothing or other items, it's different. Once you have it plugged in and have the cables connected, you can turn it on and set it to the temperature. You can set how long you want. You can press and hold to turn it off. So you just adjust this to select how long you want to do it for. You can select the temperature and so forth. Again, press and hold to turn it off. So just keep in mind. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to heat it up. We're going to lower this down to the point that we need to be at. And see you guys in a bit. When first doing it, always do test run on clothing or on something that you don't care about, okay? So always remember, test run, test run, test run. Now we're going to lift this up. Just enough. Now you can move this over. Right now the camera's in the way, but you can adjust this and slide it left and right. That way you can easily put your shirts in or whatever you're doing. Let's move this camera here. All right, not the best position, but it'll do. And then we're going to place our shirt here. Let's see, Pikachu, Pokeball. Let's move this camera. We want to make sure that your clothing is flat. Again, first time use. Always test, test, test. Doesn't matter if it turns out perfect or not, whatever you're doing. Okay. We're going to go ahead and lower this. Turn this on a while. Put this down. Now the timer's counting down, the temperature's counting up, and it's going through the settings right on here. So we'll just wait and test it out. Again, set it how you want it, okay? Every piece of clothing, every patch you do, every decal is gonna be different, okay? So for our patches, your patches, it's gonna be different for each one. Please remember that. That's why I refer to your manual. It tells you for tons of different stuff. So remember that, okay? It will beep and let you know, or you can just let it and it'll reach the temperature that you select. Once the patches are on there and we can see that it's sticking, so we're going to leave it cool down. We're going to go ahead and turn off the unit by pressing and holding. For these, it was 245 or 265, I believe it reached up to. And we're just going to let them cool. And we'll be back. I ended up taking off the Pikachu because I didn't like how it looked. It made the shirt look kind of stupid. But patches on there great, as you can see. On there nice and solid. So I'm happy. Heat press machine works great. I can't wait to play with it even more.